everyone, how are you doing? So today I wanted to do a dirty pour or a ribbon pour, but I wanted to do a 5-cup ribbon pour in that it's gonna have three of the same color and then 2 of the different colors in the middle. Before I get started, I just wanted to say thank you so much for visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. It's lovely having you here. Please, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. I really appreciate it, and it really helps to grow my channel. I really do appreciate it. So these are the colors that I'm going to use, and they're on about a 1:3 ratio, 1 part paint, 3 part floetrol. So the big cups are going to be the bigger colors. I hope I've mixed up enough paint. So they're going to be the 1, 2, 3. And then the small cups are going to be the 2 center colors. I haven't actually done one like this before, so let's see how it goes. So I've mixed up my 3 cups, and I did them the deep green, the unbleached titanium, cobalt blue, and copper. I haven't mixed my other 2 cups yet. I felt like to stop them getting muddy, I've decided to get these on the canvas first, and then I will bring the other ones next. So I don't know, maybe I'm making a mistake, I don't know. Anyway, let's give it a go. So I'm going to start. I'm going to worry about this side. And then we got this side. So I've got copper there, so I think I should start with a similar sort of form, colors. Right, my other 2 cups ready. I'm going to pour them into the center. This is so interesting. And now right, it's time to start moving paint around. So the aqua definitely is traveling faster than the blue. I'm not sure if that's because the ratios are a little bit different. I think they were a little bit thicker. Come on, open up there. Tip over. And I want to push that back now, because I want to get that bit on that side across. I did wonder when with the mixing, if the copper in that was maybe a little bit thick in comparison to the aqua golds. And looking at this, I'd say it has been more thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm coming this way because actually let me put it down, and turn it around so you can see. I have a confession. My daughter actually mixed up the paints for me, and I don't think she listened to instructions properly. I want to see if that bit that's there, go. No, it's not going to go. There was a blob of paint there and I wanted to try and pull it out and push it, but it doesn't want to go. I'd love to try and get, see what's happening is my sides are going, but I would love to try and open up that centerpiece, but it just doesn't seem to want to open. I wonder if I can push some of that green back a little bit. Yeah, it just seems to keep squeezing up. Get on your cup. What do I think? Do I like it? I actually do. I think it's pretty good. It's different. It almost feels to me like, you know, this is the gorge, you know, and that's a center gorge, you know, like a canyon, and the water's rushing through. So if I was to replete this, I probably would keep the similar color format, because I think it does that whole, you know, Grand Canyon kind of idea. But I would maybe put a different, like maybe not the greens, like I used a grass green, and I think if I had put blue in, then we would be 100% cooking with gas. And I'm just cleaning up my edges now. Actually, I wouldn't mind doing a few more of these. This was nice. It was fun. So there it is on the table, and like I said, I actually think it looks really cool. You know, if you go in, there's like so much movement and cells, and yeah, like I say, it really makes me feel like there's a canyon on either side, and then there's water rushing through the center. Admittedly, it's green and muddy and a little bit murky, but that's what it makes me think of. And I love it. I think the copper is going to dry so nicely. Just look at all of that. So good. Cells and all of it. Really happy with this piece. If I did it again, I think, like I said, I would put the blue, more of a blue in this center. I just didn't want it to be too blue, you know. But I think it could have done with a little bit more, well, no, it could have done with a slightly different blue. But like I said, I still like it. I really appreciate you joining me, and if you've enjoyed watching, please subscribe, like, comment, even share. I really do appreciate it.